I've got some BMW news for you guys. In this video, I'm gonna go through the retail ordering guide for the 2023 BMW M4. We're gonna do the Coupe and the Cabriolet. So we have three variants. BMW did remove the Coupe rear-wheel drive automatic. We now have rear-wheel drive manual, all-wheel drive Coupe, and all-wheel drive Cabriolet. So let's hop into the product bulletins. Let's get into those numbers.
Before I get into the product bulletins, BMW was nice enough to release a planning bulletin basically highlighting what the differences are. So base MSRP increased by roughly $2,000. On the manual coupe, it was $1,800. On the X-Drive coupe, it was $1,900. And the Cabriolet was a base increase of $2,100. Looks like premium package actually decreased in price, but that's because it lost some features. We no longer have universal garage door opener, no longer the ventilated front seats part of that package, and the thermal air collar for the Cabriolet is no longer in there. There is no more Ultimate package. It doesn't exist anymore. They have spliced it out and we have now just different options. The M carbon fiber package has increased by $1,500 or $2,000, and that's going to be for the additional carbon fiber trim that is now in the M carbon package. We also have some standalone option changes. Some wheel options went up in price. Carbon ceramic brakes went up in price. The M Drive Pro is no longer an option. Universal garage door opener is now a standalone feature. The BMW display key is gone. Ventilated front seats are a standalone feature now. The M carbon fiber bucket seats went up by $1,500, and the thermal air collar is now a standalone option on the M4 Cabriolet. And the merino leather went up by $400. Now let's start with the retail ordering guide for the Cabriolet. Started production is going to be July of 2022. Base MSRP at $105,000. We have two no-charge paint options and then our additional metallic paints. Since we basically went through all the highlights from last year, I'm just going to let each slide run for about 10 seconds so you can guys go through the ordering guide and see what the packages are. I'll touch on a few things that I think are important. The next slide we have our interior options. There's four no-charge interior options, and then the individual merino leather is $2,500 for extended merino leather, and then full merino leather options are $4,400. Full merino is going to give you extra leather on the dashboard, the knee area, and the upper door panel. With no more Ultimate package, we now have three package options. The M carbon package, carbon fiber trim, carbon fiber exterior package, and the bucket seats. Used to be included in Ultimate package, and then the premium package used to be Ultimate package was basically like M carbon package plus premium package, and there's really no need to have that. And then you just have two separate packages if that's what you want. Then we have the advanced driver assistance package, which is basically active stop and go cruise control. After your three packages, you start to get into the individual options. So different wheel options, different tires. We start to get into the universal garage door opener, different colored brakes, as well as the carbon ceramic brakes, those ventilated front seats. You can order the carbon fiber bucket seats by themselves instead of getting the whole carbon fiber package. So maybe you don't want the carbon fiber trim on the inside, or you don't want the carbon fiber exterior package, and then you can just get the carbon fiber bucket seats. Now you will notice that it cannot be ordered with VATQ. If you go back a few slides, you'll know that that is the Tartufo merino leather. So you will not see any Tartufo merino leather with the carbon fiber bucket seats. And then going down, wireless car charging, the M drivers package, different wood trims on the inside at the very bottom, individual paintwork for frozen or normal individual paintwork. Now we get into the standard features for the car. Remote engine start is a standard feature, cruise control, all the good things like that. The second page of the standard features, and then the rest of the slides are just going to go what the wheel options look like and what the tire specs are. Okay, now let's move into the M4 Coupe. So we have the M4 Coupe, which is a manual, and the competition, which is the automatic and the X-Drive, starting production of July 2022. The ordering guide is going to be almost the exact same as the Cabriolet. Base MSRP on the M4 Coupe, $89,500. On the X-Drive competition, $96,200. Paint options are virtually the exact same as on the Cabriolet. Interior options are the exact same as well. Now we get into the M carbon package. It's $500 more on the competition M Drive Coupe because it has the paddle shifters where the manual does not. The premium package and then the advanced driver assistance package is not available with the manual because you can't have the stop and go cruise control when you have to manually select the gears. The standalone options are very similar to the Cabriolet with different wheel options, ceramic brakes, and some small things like the shadowline headlights. On the second page of options, you will notice that the air collar is missing on this one. Then we'll get into standard features. You'll notice that remote engine start unavailable in the manual, and then we get into the rest of the standard features. And the last few slides are just going to be the different wheel options once again.
All right, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys appreciate this BMW content. If you made it all the way to the end, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, reach out to me if you need a BMW. If you want to order an M4 to your exact specs, reach out to me in my email down below, and I'd be happy to go through that with you. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you on the next one.